In the previous videos, we have finalized the process of inserting the charts that we have designed, we have created in our through this step-by-step process of creating the designing the customer success dashboard, and we have inserted all the charts that is the sales charts, uh, that is a line chart, the MAP chart, the donut chart, that are delivery performance and return performance charts, the customer acquisition chart, which is a waterfall chart, and the customer satisfaction chart, which is the stake bar chart. Now we have inserted all these charts into our customer success dashboard. Now in this video, we will start the process of inserting the slicers into our customer success dashboard. We will connect all these slicers with our all these charts, all these pivot chart that we have created, we have inserted here in the dashboard. And after connecting and after doing some formatting, these charts these all these chart will be interacted with the slicers. Slicers will act like the buttons, and these slicers will control the data that these charts will represent. In a way, I will show it that these are the slicers, and this is this year, this product, this custom acquisition type, this state, these are the slicers. And now we want to segregate it based on the year. Then we need to click this, like act like a button, and we when click on the year 2015, then all the data relating to 2015 will be represented here. No such data in 2016 or 17 will be represented. These data will be wiped off, and only these charts will represent the data. Like, look at this, the difference will be represented all the data of the year 2015 will be represented, and you can check. So the same is with the 2016, same is with 2017. Also, you can go for the product to you can go for the mailing, you can go for any of the state. So you can segregate, you can show the data you want using the slicer acting as a buttons to segregate your data. So how we can insert the slicers into our data, and how we can connect the slicers with our all the charts. So we will learn in this video. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ishtiaq Khan, and welcome to Grow with Ishtiaq Khan YouTube channel. In this channel, we will talk about opportunities and growth, and how you can put your creativity on the table and show your creative side to create an impact on your boss, on your customer, your client, or anywhere you are working, and represent. And in this channel, you will also learn how to represent data in a way using the Microsoft Excel and other some tools to visualize your data to create a long-lasting impact. So, if you are a student, fresh graduate, a young professional in the early phase of your career, or a mid-level professional, then this platform is just for you. I'm investing my time and energy to uh, to bring you some creative things and some innovative things to help you create an impact in anywhere you are working. So, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform, and also share these videos with your friends and colleagues, because sharing is caring. So in this video, we are talking about inserting the slicers. Finally, we are up to the final stage of completing this customer success dashboard. This is a step-by-step process that I have shown you each and everything, that how you can do it. The minute things I have shown you, that how you can edit, how you can go with the fonts and everything. Now, in this video, I will show you that how you can insert these slicers, and in the upcoming two videos, next we will in the upcoming video we will show we will learn about how we can create the custom slicers, create the modified slicer in a way we want. Like the slicers that we have are not in such a way, they are not such looking so creative, so beautiful, but we can design beautiful slicers the way we want, we can design it. And also in the last video, we'll go for the auto refresh of the data, and this all the data will be auto refreshed if any addition to the data has been made. So let's see how we can edit the slicers, how we can insert these slicers into the customer success dashboard. Now this is our data, and first of all we need to Now this is our customer success dashboard. These are the charts, these are the customer, and we need to click on any of the chart, and then we need to go to insert, and in the insert tab we need to click on the slicers. Now we need slicers based on the year that we want to check the data based on the year. We want to check the data based on the products, that product wise data. We want to segregate the data based on the customer acquisition type, and we need to segregate it based on the state. Now click on the OK, and all these slicers appeared here. Now select all these slicers because we do not want to we need to our data to be interactive, like in any data in any state or anywhere, if there is no such product present or no such custom acquisition type present, so this will so such data will not be shown by the slicer. So how we can achieve this thing, like these are the dates, and we do not need to 2018 2015 less than 2015, and we also do not want to show such data that if that data is not present in the raw data relating to any segregation, then we do not want to represent it in the slicer. So how we can achieve it, we need to click on it, right click, and then we need to go to the slicer settings. The slicer settings, we need to click on the hide items with no data. So all the items that have no data will be hide. Now we need to bring it here. Now next thing that need to represent here should be represented here, and the next should be the product, the next should be the customer acquisition type, and the last one should be the state. Now how we can achieve this? Now when I click on this one, just look at me, and I click on 2015, so only this chart for which we have inserted the slicers is changed. Nothing has been, no data. Like look at this, let's remove the slicers. This is, look at the value, almost 3 million. Now this is, they're representing all the years, 60%, 70%. Note the data. And we have not connected this slicer with all the charts, so it will only affect the chart for which it is connected. So let's see how it can impact it. Let's see that this is the way. It's only 2015 for this chart. No change in this data, no change in this data, nothing, no change in this data. But same is 2016. Same is with the product, same is with the must mailing list, same is with the state. So how we can achieve the process, like I have shown you in the start of the video, that when I click on any slicers buttons in any type of Sega, and I'm going to segregate data in any type, that it will impact all these charts. So how we can achieve it? Let's see how we can achieve it. Now click on the slicer, and now right click, and then go to the report connections. In the report connections, select all the pivot tables. Only pivot table number 1 is selected. We need to select all the pivot tables. There are six pivot tables, and we need to select all of these pivot tables. Now look at this one. Now when we click, everything changed. Look at this, how amazing it is, how beautiful it is. Now the same we will do with all these slicers. Select all these, connect all the charts to the slicers, to the slicer of customer acquisition. Check it, check all these, and finally we are going to the state and connect the state slicer with all the charts. Now look at this one. Also we need to five products. We have six customer acquisition types, but I also need to do some more formatting with it. Yes. I need to go to the options and then increase the columns. In two columns are enough. I think here one column is working fine. Should be almost. Now go play with this one and here. Yes. Now these are the slicers with different columns, and now when I click on any one, then product, it will change the way we want on the second product. We can go for the multi-select also. I want to check for the year 2015, then click on the multi-select option and I want to select, like, these are the three products. Now but if you view it and compare it to the one that I have designed it here, it's looking so beautiful. It's looking so attractive. Anyone want to, but the one designed here, it's not looking so. It not only it's looking ugly. I would say, and it's not so creative in a way that it's whole and that's yellow type of design, and so we can modify the slicers that when it clicks it's going to be changed the way we want. When it hovers, we hold the mouse, it color will be changed the way we want, its font will be changed the way we want. We can change its colors, so we can format it the way we want. So how we can format it, we will check. We learn the formatting of slicers and designing the custom slicers in our upcoming video. So these are the slicer. We have inserted the slicer, we have connected the slicers, and you can play with the data, play with the data the way you want. And these are the slicers for you. And in the upcoming video we will learn about formatting these slicers, designing the custom slicers the way we want to design it. So stay tuned and watch these videos, and also share the videos with your friends and colleagues, because sharing is caring, so that they can also have learn how they can use the Microsoft Excel in a creative way, and use the simple tools like the slicer, the charts, the different types of shapes and different types of mm, uh, the different formattings, different gradients, different tools of the Excel, and design pivot tables, pivot charts, and different type of things that are simple to learn and really go, if you learn it to how you can use in a creative way, then you can design really beautiful customer success dashboards, yeah, beautiful dashboard in Excel, and that will give that will make a long lasting impact of you. That will give you help to create impact on your boss, on your customer, or on your client, or anywhere you are working. So it will create an impact. So it will help you to create an impact. So this is the inserting this slicer process has been completed, and in the upcoming video you will learn about formatting the slicers, customizing, creating the custom slicers for your dashboard. And in the last video you will learn about how we can create the auto refresh method. So stay tuned and watch these videos. So if you want to move your career to next level, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Ishtiaq Khan, and also press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform, because this platform is just for you. Also share the videos with your friends and colleagues, because sharing is caring. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.